In front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. All you need to do is go into devices settings and tap on personal customization over here. Then select theme section at the top right corner and apply any of those by clicking on the best one for you. Lastly, choose apply button at the bottom and wait. As you can see, after that, theme of my Lenovo has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!